Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to enable one-click trading on eToro. Enabling one-click trading on eToro allows for faster trade execution with predefined parameters, offering convenience, efficiency in fast-moving markets, and a streamlined process that reduces complexity and helps active traders avoid missing opportunities. So in order to enable one-click trading, open up your eToro application on your mobile device and log in. From the home page, access the menu button, which is located at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, scroll down to Settings and on the next page, click on the Trading button. Inside Trading section, scroll down and get to One-Click Trading. Toggle on the button right next to Do you want to enable one-click trading? And this will now enable one-click trading for your eToro account. So that is how you enable one-click trading on eToro. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. I will be back again with these informative videos again. Thank you for watching.